Now, what is the difference between Reba and Mudharabah? If on distribution we are agreed from the day one that I will take 80, you will take 20, then where is the difference between Reba and Mudharabah? Ya ayyuhal muftiyun. لا لا حبيبي ساعدني في هذا الأمر. What is the difference between riba? In riba also we are agreed that I will pay you 80%, I will pay you 20%. In Mudharabah also we are agreed. Where is the difference?
Risk sharing. इसलिए कि जो रिबा है उसमें गारंटी होती है कैपिटल की और मुदारबा में गारंटी नहीं।
नहीं, मैं रिटर्न की बात कर रहा हूँ, कैपिटल की बात नहीं कर रहा।
Percentage of the principal is agreed by in the Mudharabah to percentage of profit is not the principal.
Very good. What is the difference between Mudharabah and in interest in riba? We are agreed on fixed amount as per the capital, that ये capital है, I am giving you this amount and you have to pay 10%. That you are losing, making more, less, this is your headache. This is not my headache. You have to return me my capital plus this fixed amount. Okay. In Mudharabah, only I am agreed that we will distribute net profit. So we are agree only on ratio of 20 and 80, 70 and 30, 60 and 40. And I don't know on maturity date how much I will get. You don't know on maturity date how much you will get. While in riba, my capital is guaranteed plus the fixed return is also guaranteed. While in Mudharabah, neither capital is guaranteed, neither return is guaranteed, the amount. So here we are agree only on distribution ratio that whatever net profit will be, it will be distributed as per this ratio. This is the difference between Mudharabah